Lancashire is a natural base for us. Our founder, he was brought up in Lancashire. He's had successful businesses in Lancashire in the 90s and the early noughties, and he wanted to launch the Supalite Roof system, so he came back to Preston because he thought it was the perfect place to launch this product. I mean, the transport network's fantastic in Lancashire. Another thing is the countryside around Lancashire. We're so lucky we can be like in Manchester in 30 minutes, Liverpool in 30 minutes. Where our main headquarters are at Walton Summit, we're near three motorway networks, the M6, M61 and M65. You can be anywhere pretty quickly. So, and being based in Preston, because we're nationwide, we're pretty much central within the country. I think some of the challenges faced by female business leaders are having that balance of family and work, and just being able to make sure they can keep everything running smoothly. And I think that can be the case if you've got the right support. I think a programme like this helps you to sort of reevaluate the priorities in life. I do think it's important for Lancashire County Council to support female business leaders. It's about developing that community of those leading in Lancashire. We can share ideas together, share experiences, and just develop some great long-term connections within the county. I'd definitely recommend 2.0. It's been such an eventful 9 months. I've experienced some wonderful new things. The two leaders of the course, Wendy and Katie, have been fantastic. They've really nurtured us all within the group that I've been on.